Potato Power. 7 health benefits you never knew. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the surprising health benefits of one of the most versatile vegetables out there, the potato. We're talking about the starchy, delicious staple that often gets a bad rap when it comes to health. Get ready to see the potato in a whole new light. Stick around to find out how this dietary staple can contribute to a healthier you in ways you never imagined. First up, let's talk about the nutritional value packed inside this humble vegetable. Potatoes are surprisingly rich in essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. One medium potato boasts a significant amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse known for boosting immunity. They're also a good source of B vitamins, especially vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain health and metabolism. And let's not forget about potassium, an electrolyte that's crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Now, let's talk gut health, a topic that's getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. A healthy gut is linked to everything from digestion and immunity to mood and even cognitive function. Potatoes are a surprisingly good source of fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. Fiber acts like a broom in our digestive system, adding bulk to our stool and promoting regular bowel movements. You might be surprised to hear that potatoes can actually give your brain a boost. Potatoes contain a compound called alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. ALA has been studied for its potential cognitive benefits, and research suggests it may play a role in improving memory and protecting against age-related cognitive decline. So next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, consider reaching for a baked potato instead of that bag of chips. Chapter 4. A heart-healthy choice. Let's move on to heart health, which is something we should all be mindful of. Potatoes are a good source of potassium. This essential mineral acts as a natural counterbalance to sodium, helping to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating potassium-rich foods like potatoes into your diet can be a smart move for supporting cardiovascular health. Chapter 5. Busting the weight gain myth. Now let's address the misconception that potatoes inevitably lead to weight gain. While deep-fried options like French fries and potato chips can contribute to weight gain, potatoes themselves are not the enemy of a healthy weight. In fact, potatoes have a high satiety index, which means they can help you feel fuller for longer compared to other foods with the same calorie count. Chapter 6. Immunity from within. We're all looking for ways to boost our immune systems, especially these days. The humble potato can actually lend a helping hand. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. Chapter 7. Glowing skin from the inside out. Last but not least, let's talk about skin health. We all want healthy glowing skin, and it turns out that potatoes can play a part in that too. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which gives our skin its structure and elasticity. Potatoes also contain B vitamins, which are important for cell growth and repair. Outro Potato Power. There you have it. 7 incredible health benefits of potatoes that you probably didn't know about. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion and even enhancing brain function, the potato is a true nutritional powerhouse. So next time you're planning your meals, don't be afraid to include this versatile vegetable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.